Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking this old PC we got, I think back in 2008, and we're going to be turning it into a brand new gaming PC.
How you want?
Yep. Okay, this is the i9 700K. Okay. Don't read the back. The front. This is it. It's really good. Okay, that part.
How you got it? It's in there, get it.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna try that again.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Okay, this is the RTX 2080 Ti with integrated graphics, Intel. One of the best things out there. It runs really well. It runs all the latest games like
GTA 5.
Minecraft. And all you need to do is install it. It goes in like that. Sorry guys, I was a little upset. That wasn't a part of the review. I broke. So this is pretty uncommon, but here we do these different type of practices. This might look like a spoon, but it actually isn't. Well, it kind of is a spoon. It's a spoon, but it actually boosts graphics. So we're gonna just put it in the port straight here. Right now, you see how it fits and everything works. What the? Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. Wait. Hold on. Alright. That should boost the graphics.
This is a heat sink. It keeps the heat out of the CPU. This one's really advanced. It keeps it up to 2 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 70 degrees Celsius power. Let's just add it right where the CPU goes. And then you also want to cool down the thermodynamic card. That's a CPU heater. Alright.
Alright, what do I do?
Tell them that you're open for
Alright, be careful.
It's time to make real connections again. Find out how we can. Visit tfox.com/contact to learn more.
That's cool.
91.3 Vancouver, 92.3 Whistler, and
Oh.
God. Keeping the heat off the heat sink.
So, this should hopefully make this wireless. Old RGB lights that we got from a guy off the street the other day. He just kind of gave it to us. So we're going to put them in. You just got to sprinkle it. Just get it in there. And then if you really have to, you got to plug in the light for it. No, wait. Wait. It's got to be this. No. Never mind. This is the Pentium SSD. Alright?
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. You're gonna put in the.
Alright.
Wait. And also. Wait. Wait. See this? This is the this is this is the SLI bridge. This connects the motherboard to the back of the computer.
Here's the RAM F-150 motor.
This is the integrated graphics from the CPU. You can't forget the power of 5G. I was thinking about adding some integrated graphics. I need some more.
Don't forget your power brick, wireless.
Don't forget the integrated graphics from the MSI. This is an AMD PCI export. Here's some Intel graphics support. We can fuck that up right now. We go.
Now we have a brand new gaming PC. Let's go!